Happening now, time is running out to pay your property taxes. Bills are due tomorrow. To help out those still trying to get their payment in on time, the Harris County Tax Assessor-Collector's Office is offering extended hours. Here with more on how to pay your bill and the penalties if you don't do it on time is Harris County Tax Assessor-Collector Mike Sullivan. Thanks for joining me this morning.
Yeah, you bet, Chauncey. First of all, welcome to Houston.
Thank you so much. Enjoying it, loving it. So tomorrow is the deadline. The clock is ticking. Talk about the deadlines for our viewers out there.
It is. Well, traditionally, property taxes are due January 31st, but since it fell on a weekend, they're not due until midnight, February 2nd, which of course is Monday. And in order to help people, we always have a rush at the office, people rushing in trying to pay their bill at the last minute. We're offering extended hours, so instead of 8 to 4:30, we're going to be open 8 to 6:30, and that's at all 17 branch offices throughout Harris County.
And I understand you don't have to actually come into a branch. What are the other ways that you can pay?
Well, that's right. You don't. You can pay online, you can pay by telephone, or you can pay by mail, as long as it's postmarked by midnight tomorrow night, February 2nd.
Now, for the folks out there who say, hey, I know I'm not going to make the deadline, what do I do next?
Well, there are two things. One, make sure that you do pay, and if you don't pay, either get in touch with us to let us know so we can work out a payment plan with you under certain circumstances. If you don't pay, then February 3rd, you start accruing penalties and interest. Starts out at 7% per month, and it goes up every month after that.
And that was my next question. How serious are these penalties in case you do not meet tomorrow's deadline?
They're very serious. In Texas, the property tax code requires me to turn delinquent accounts over to a collections firm July 1st. Okay. And once that gets going, it's difficult.
Right. And I know the clock is ticking. You guys want to encourage people to get in there tomorrow to pay. So your offices, you're asking for opening up for extended hours to try to help people get in there to pay those taxes. Talk about the extended hours.
We are. We've got 227 people that are going to be working in all 17 branch offices. They're there to assist customers look up their bill, print coupons, answer questions, and basically just to do the best customer service and provide the best customer service we can. No one wants to pay their taxes, and it's uncomfortable to have to take people's money, so we want to make it as pleasant of an experience as possible.
Right. So for our viewers out there, what if after seeing this interview, seeing this report, what if they still just have general questions about the tax deadline tomorrow? What can they do? Who can they contact?
They can reach my office two ways. One, of course, through the internet. It's hctax.net, or they can call my office at 713-274-8000. And we really are here to help. Property tax bills have gone up a lot. You know, population growth, explosion in population, new jobs, new homes, property levies have gone up. We're collecting about 10% more money than we did last year, looking at $5.6 billion in total taxes collected.
And once again, talk about the deadlines and the extended hours just so people can know for tomorrow.
Sure, you bet. Property tax bills have to be paid by February 2nd, Monday. Have to be either postmarked, paid online, or paid in person. And we're going to be open until 6:30 at all of our branches throughout Harris County to assist.
All right, thanks so much. Once again, folks, tomorrow is that deadline, and the clock is ticking. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Sullivan.
Yes, sir.
Ahead right